Hey everybody, my name is Rihanna. I'm here with Colton RV and Marine, and we're here to check out the Sanibel today. So this is a 2022 Sanibel. It is new with warranties. There's a lot to talk about here. So we do have a high gloss on the exterior here. So this camper is going to just shine and hold up better for you over time. Outside they provide a leash latch for your furry friends. All of the baggage doors, they are equipped with slam latches, also nice and insulated. Huge storage out here and magnetic walls too. So we could just throw that up and have our hands free. When you're done, you just slam it down. You do have nice Furrion outdoor speakers here. Double awning, so full coverage on your camping area. Also LED strips underneath, so it'll be nice and bright out here at night. They do have the Lippert solid steps with a nice grab handle by the door here, so you can safely enter and exit. Underneath the door handle there is a little bottle opener as well. The little things, right? The door is a friction hinge door. So this is not going to blow around, it's going to stay in place for you. So you shouldn't have this flapping around in the wind. In the back here, we do have a backup camera prep as well as a ladder. So this is a fully walkable roof. Okay, as we come around the back or the side here, we do have two nice big slide outs, giving you a nice open floor on the inside. They are a Schwintek slide system. In this pass-through area, you have a docking station. So this is going to make everything super easy setting up camp. Everything is enclosed in this area, which is also heated. So cold weather camping, late fall camping, this is all going to be kept warm for you. Up here you will see a pure sine wave inverter as well. In the front area here you do have nice docking lights as well as auto leveling for your stabilizing. So this will remember your hitch height, and you can just retract all of the levelers at one time. So this Sanibel does have a fiberglass front cap that's going to provide insulation for you, and it also has the docking lights. All right, so let's head inside. Okay, so now we're inside of the Primetime Sanibel. So there's a lot to talk about in here. One of my favorite things about the Sanibel is the appliances. So it's very residential. You do have a full gas range cooktop with 4 burners and a turkey capable oven. You do also have a convection microwave as well. So basically a full chef's kitchen, nice big countertops, residential refrigerator. And in addition to that, you have a full pantry. As for entertainment, you do have the televator here, so that'll go down when traveling, but this way you do have a nice big TV. It is equipped with a Furrion soundbar, so indoor speakers, outdoor speakers, and it's a great sound system. A nice big fireplace. In the seating area, you get theater seating. You can charge your phones there, so there's USB ports and cup holders, little spot for remotes. This other couch is going to fold out into a bed. The furniture of this material is going to be really nice for kids, pets. It's a moisture wicking material, so super easy to clean. One thing with the Sanibel is it's a wide body, so you have 101 inches of space here. That also gets you nice tall slide boxes. So any guys out there that are 6 foot tall, you're not going to be hitting your head here. I really like the big windows. So this big slide boxes, big windows. This is going to be perfect if you have, you know, campsites with water, lake, nice scenic views. You can back in and yeah, get a good view. Love the lighting in the Sanibel. You do have some nice pendant lighting here. Also accent lighting throughout the kitchen, under your island, as well as under your hutch area. This hutch is going to provide you with some extra storage. Nice little coffee bar maybe. You do have a freestanding dinette as well, so this is going to be a nice adaptable area. So this unit's equipped with a Lippert one-touch control. So everything in your camper can be controlled through this touch screen. You can also link it to your cell phone to be able to control your lighting. In the bathroom, we do have nice glass shower doors. Nice big bathroom as well. Porcelain sink and a porcelain toilet as well. So these are just a little bit nicer, gonna hold up better over time. Let's see. So in the bedroom, you have a king size bed. You also have a huge wardrobe. So tons of storage in here. You have lots of little cubby spaces in the back for shoes, space down at the bottom for shoes, cubbies in the wall. Yeah, pretty much tons of storage. You can also do a washer and dryer in this area of the closet, or just use it for more wardrobe storage. Tons of drawers. So for somebody that's going to be staying in this, maybe snowbirds, a few months at a time, there's going to be plenty of room for all of your things here. If you have any questions about the Sanibel, or if you're interested, you could reach out to us here at 716-694-0188, and my extension is 413.